You could be anybody you want to be as long as you invent it and can enroll the world to agree to it. Begin to ask yourself, what do I want? What is my life really about? The opportunity here is to actually redesign how we see ourselves and how we relate with the world, much more than a transaction of information. This is a transformation of being.
But from this day forward, from now on, I choose to be great. I choose to be happy, and I choose to be in love with myself and with every one of you.
And I'm discovering that I can live again. And I'm discovering that there's a new normal that's in the process of developing. And I'm being freed for it because of what I experienced this weekend.
Our message to you is, you can matter. You can make a difference. You could love. You could be extraordinary. Your life can be a magnificent journey. A glorious, magnificent journey. If it happens with your full commitment. Get committed to break through. Now the critical question is, what are you up to creating in life? And would you be willing to give yourself permission to dream big?